don't be panic. We will talk about earthquake at ang lakas ng ulan sa bagyo. Step 1, at sa earthquake, after you are in school, you need to panic. And you need to do, step 1, you need to do this. Step 2, you need to do this. Oh, okay? While praying, you need to wish there's no earthquake. Okay po? And be safe and stay and your parents not kaya to go to your school because ang lakas ng earthquake, because hindi kaya niya, because they are hiding in the table. And don't cry, don't tumatakbo. Pwede walk only. You need to stay healthy, but do not cry in the earthquake. Do not panic. You just need to inhale and say like that. But do not makulit. Hindi listen yun. Kamali ka. You need to do this. Watch this here. Watch this here. Pretend my earthquake. And you are here. Pretend. You need to do this and like this. And close your eyes. Like that. You need to pray like that. And do something special. But don't fight. Do not do something bad too. And bye. Be safe and stay ready and safe. Okay po? You need to be safe and you need to listen to these instructions. Okay? And I forgot something pa. You need to listen pa for the family. You will go something and you will marunong, and because your mom is saying what you gonna do, because you will be not wrong, and listen to your mom or your dad, like you know what is the instructions po, okay? Talk as tsunami, but tsunami at ibang place at sa Bulacan, at lakas ng ulan, may bagyo, like that. Be safe and be ready, okay? Ang lakas ng ulan, you need to, what we gonna do? Ask your mom or your dad. Because I didn't know yet. Because my mom not tell yet pa. Because I just get confused by that part. You need to ask your mom and your dad. You need to be all together and be safe. And if may earthquake, you have a school, diba? If there's a playground, takbo ka! And you need to go there to the tabi sa basketball. This part is still that part. And eto na. Do not, if you see a tsunami, run. Super fast in the world wide ever. You will be safe. You need to listen to your mom's instructions or your dad's instructions. You need to be safe and hurry up. Bring your food. See like this, ang speed ko. Like this, and you need to get that all fast you could, because baka gutom ka, lagot, walang pagkain. You need to follow your dad's instructions or your mom's instruction. If you're pagod, and if you are a baby, up, takbo ka, tito, everyone, man, okay? You need to takbo, but tsunami is una. You need to super takbo in the world wide ever, and you will be safe. And if you are in the tsunami, drowned. If marunong ka mag-swim, like that. Okay po? Listen this, and your mother and your tatay. Okay po? Bye-bye.